Maboy Madjo everyone, I am Julius Dumbasi and my co-member is Kim Kyle Bangkuri, Edgar Kellat, and Eljan Malmis. Uh, our research title is the relationship between service quality and customer satisfaction in Kaputian Beach Park. Boston. Background study of our research. In service industry such as tourist and recreation service, quality has long been acknowledged as a major factor. So determining consumer happiness, significant coordination and between service quality and visitor satisfaction and behavior outcomes in Kaputian Beach Park are also found in the Philippine context is ServQual. ServQual means service quality is applied to tourists. So we need to apply ServQual in tourist. And destination image components, happiness and service related characteristics in the island garden city of Samal, particularly at Kaputian Beach Park. In our topic, the destination in our research is Kaputian Beach Park. So Kaputian Beach Park is our main place or main ground. And we have 5 ServQual dimension and multi-dimension consumer satisfaction measuring specific to Kaputian Beach Park. Given the policy and the management, importance to improve of beach Kaputian experience. Next one. Next is statement of the problem. So SOP. This study seeks to examine the correction between the service quality and customer satisfaction in Kaputian Beach Park. Number 1, what are the levels of service quality in Kaputian Beach Park? We have 5. Assurance, empathy, reliability, responsiveness, and tangibility. Number 2, what are the level of customer satisfaction in Kaputian Beach Park? We have 5 also. Number 6 also. Accessibility, accuracy, completeness, consistency, courtesy, and timeliness. Number 3, there significant relationship between service quality and customer satisfaction in Kaputian Beach Park. For me, hypothesis, there is no significant between service quality and customer satisfaction.
Theoretical framework. 2 complementary theories serve as the foundation for this study. First, service quality is defined by the ServQual model by Parasuraman, Saitama, and Berry in 1988 as the difference between customer expectation and perception in 5 dimensions: tangibles, assurance, responsiveness, empathy, and dependability. Second, according to expectancy disconfirmation theory, EDT, by Oliver in 1980, customers' happiness is the outcome of the comparing perceived performance with past expectation, positive disconfirmation, performance exceeding expectation. Produce contentment when taking as a whole. This framework support the measurement of various aspects of service quality and their correlation with multifaceted consumer satisfaction in a beach park. Conceptual framework. This is the independent variable and dependent variable. Independent variable is the service quality, and dependent variable is the customer satisfaction. And this is the indicator of service quality: assurance, empathy, reliability, responsiveness, and tangibility. And the dependent variable indicator customer satisfaction is accessibility, accuracy, completeness, consistency, courtesy, and timeliness. Next is result and discussion. Level of service quality in Kaputian Beach Park. The finding shows a very high level of service quality with an overall mean score of 4.36
and a low standard deviation of 0.34, indicating that the guest consistency shares positive experiences regarding the service provided. The result clearly demonstrated that the Kaputian Beach Park delivers excellent service quality across all dimensions. This very high level of service quality helps explain why customers are likely to feel satisfied with their overall experience, reinforcing the strong relationship between service quality and customer satisfaction in the Kaputian Beach Park. Result and discussion of the level of service quality in Kaputian Beach Park. The assurance, empathy, reliability, responsiveness, and tangibility. Overall total is 4.36 and the SD is 0.34 and the result is very high. Is result and discussion. Level of customer satisfaction in Kaputian Beach Park. The overall mean score of 4.48 with a low standard deviation of 0.29 indicates a very high level of customer satisfaction, suggesting that most visitors shares similarly positive experience during their visit. The findings confirm that customer satisfaction in Kaputian Beach Park is very high across the measured area. This strong level of satisfaction supports the idea that effect service quality plays a crucial role in creating positive customer experience and reinforcing satisfaction among beach park visitors. This is the result of customer satisfaction in Kaputian Beach Park. Accessibility, accuracy, completeness, consistency, courtesy, timelines. The overall result is 4.48 and the SD is 0.29. The result is very high. The next is result and discussion in correlation analysis between service quality and customer satisfaction in Kaputian Beach Park. The result reveals moderate to strong positive relationship across the variables, indicating that improvement in service quality and close associate with higher levels of customer satisfaction. These findings clearly confirm that the high service quality is strong associated with higher customer satisfaction in Kaputian Beach Park, supporting the study's main object in establishing a meaningful relationship between the two variables. And the next, I will show you the result and discussion of correlation analysis result. So as you can see, that is the overall result, the accessibility, accuracy, completeness, consistency, courtesy, and timelines.
Next is conclusion. The result clearly demonstrate that Kaputian Beach Park delivers excellent service quality across all dimensions. This high very level of service quality helps explain why customers are likely to feel satisfied with their overall experience. And the findings have confirmed that the customer satisfaction in Kaputian Beach Park is very high across all measured areas. This strong level satisfaction support the idea of effective service quality plays a crucial role in creating positive customer experiences and reinforcing satisfaction among beach visitors. For our recommendation, based on the findings, the conclusion of this study, the following are recommended. Beach owner and managers, the highly standard service now provided at the Kaputian Beach Park is encouraged to be maintained by the beach owns and management, the policy and the local government unit. The study conclusion may serve as a empirical foundation of the construction of tourism service quality standard of the beach resort and other comparable recreational facilities by policymakers and relevant local government organizations. Guests, clients, and customers. In order to help management uphold service standard, visitors are urged to keep offering helpful criticism their experience in Kaputian Beach Park. For future researcher, by investigating the connection between service quality and additional factors including customer loyalty, intention to return, word of mouth, advertising, and preserve value, future researcher may expand on this study. To validate the generalize the result, quantitative studies including other beach resort of tourist hotspots or area can be carried out. This is all our references and our research.
Mabuhay ang Madyaw! Salamat po!